Hello everyone, welcome to D Ecosystem. In this video, we will teach you how to use the newest feature on our D-Chain network, DSwap. So without further ado, let's get started. To use DSwap, first, log into your MetaMask wallet and go to https://dfi.ecosystem.io/swap. Once you are on the website, your wallet will be automatically connected to the DSwap platform. After that, you can select the amount and types of digital currency you would like to swap. And then click Swap. Now everything is ready and you're good to go. Follow our social media for more information, news, updates, and special offers.